Grade 7 IMO Olympiad Workbook Chapter 4 Simple Equations Part 2 Question number 11. Solve for x in the equation 6x minus 2 by 9 plus 3x plus 5 by 18 is equal to 1 by 3. First, let's write down the equation as it is. Then, on the left hand side, the LCM is 18 and the numerator becomes 2 into 6x minus 2 plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Simplifying, we get 12x minus 4 plus 3x plus 5 by 18 is equal to 1 by 3. Now let's group the like terms together. 12x plus 3x plus 5 minus 4 divided by 18 is equal to 1 by 3. Solving further, 15x plus 1 by 18 is equal to 1 by 3. Now let's move the denominator 18 and 3 to the opposite sides. Now we get 13 into 15x plus 1 is equal to 1 into 18. 45x plus 3 is equal to 18. 45x is 18 minus 3, which is 15. So x is 15 by 45 or 1 by 3. So our right option is option A. Next question. Which of the following equations is not the same as 15 plus 3x is equal to 3? Let's work out the options one by one. Option A. 3x is equal to 3 minus 15. Bringing the minus 15 to the other side, we get 15 plus 3x is equal to 3, which is same as the equation in question. Option B. 15 minus 3 is equal to minus 3x. Here again, rearranging, we get 15 plus 3x is equal to 3. Option C. 15 plus 3x by 3 is equal to 3. Simplifying that, we get 15 plus x is equal to 3. Here, instead of 3x, we have only x. So this shows that option C doesn't give the same equation as in question. Let us also work out option D before finalizing the answer. 15 by 3 plus 3x by 3 is equal to 3 by 3. The LCM on the left hand side is 3 and what we get is 15 plus 3x by 3 is equal to 3 by 3. Cancelling out the denominators on both the sides, we get 15 plus 3x is equal to 3, which is the same as the equation in the question. Thus, the right option for this question is option C. Next, question number 13. If the sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 188, find the numbers. So let's consider the first odd number to be A. So the consecutive odd number will be A plus 2. From our question, we have the sum of these two numbers is 188. So A plus 2 is equal to 188. 2a plus 2 is equal to 188. 2a is equal to 188 minus 2, which is 186. So a is equal to 186 divided by 2. So a is equal to 93. And the other odd number, a plus 2, is 95. So the right option is option D. Let's see another method without using any equations to find the answer. Let us eliminate all the wrong answers to get the right one. Option A, 87 and 101. Now this cannot be the answer because these two numbers are odd numbers but they are not consecutive. Next, option B can be eliminated because 92 and 96 are not odd numbers. Next, option C also can be eliminated by just trying to add the digits of the units place. 1 plus 3 gives us 4 and not 8 as in our question. So that cannot be the right answer again. So we are left with the right option of option D. Question number 14. Ram's father's age is 3 years more than 2 times Ram's age. Ram's father is 45 years old. Form an equation to find Ram's age. Let's consider Ram's age to be X and Ram's father's age to be Y. From our question, we know that his father's age is 45. So Y is equal to 45. Now 2 times Ram's age becomes 2x and 3 years more than 2 times Ram's age is 2x plus 3. And from our question, we get 2x plus 3 is equal to y and y is 45. So 2x plus 3 is equal to 45 is our equation and that's the same as option A. Next, question number 15. A shopkeeper sells bananas in 2 types of boxes, one small and one large. A large box contains as many as 6 small boxes plus 2 loose bananas. Form an equation which gives the number of bananas in each small box. If the number of bananas in one large box is 50, let the number of bananas in a large box be y. From our question, we know that y is equal to 50. Also, let the number of bananas in a small box be x. So, the number of bananas in 6 small boxes will be 6x. Now, 6 small boxes plus 2 loose bananas becomes 6x plus 2 and this is the same as the bananas in the large box which is equal to y. 6x plus 2 is equal to y. We know that y is equal to 50. So 6x plus 2 is equal to 50 is our equation. So our right option is option C. Next, question number 16. 1/4 of a pole is painted red. 2/5 is painted blue and the remaining 21 meters is painted green. Find the height of the pole. As a first step, let us try to depict the same question as a picture. Let's assume that the length of the pole is x. So 1/4 of x is painted red. 2/5 of x is painted blue and the remaining is painted green. This remaining length is 21 meters. To form the equation, let's add up all the 3 lengths to get x. So 1/4x plus 21 plus 2/5x is equal to x. That becomes x/4 plus 21 plus 2x/5 is equal to x. The LCM on the left side is 20 and the numerator becomes 5x plus 420 plus 8x. Now this is equal to x. Then let's bring the denominator 20 from the left side to the right side. That gives us 5x plus 420 plus 8x is equal to 20x. 420 plus 13x is equal to 20x. 420 is equal to 20x minus 13x. 420 is equal to 7x. So x is equal to 420 divided by 7. So x is equal to 60, which gives the right option of option B. Next, question number 17. There are some lotus flowers in a pond and some bees are hovering around. If one bee lands on each flower, one bee will be left. If 2 bees land on each flower, one flower will be left. What would be the number of flowers and bees? Let's say the number of flowers is A and the number of bees is B. From the first statement, we can infer that B is equal to A plus 1. Let us consider this as equation 1. From the second statement, we can find out that B is equal to 2 into A minus 1. Let this be equation 2. From the first equation, we have B is equal to A plus 1. So let's substitute this value of B in equation 2, which gives us A plus 1 is equal to 2 into A minus 1. So A plus 1 is equal to 2A minus 2. Grouping the like terms, we get 2 plus 1 is equal to 2A minus A, or A is equal to 3. Using this value of A in B is equal to A plus 1, we get B is equal to 3 plus 1, which is B is equal to 4. So our right option is option A. The same solution can be also arrived at by drawing bees and flowers. Option A, let's draw 3 flowers and 4 bees. When the bees land, 1 on each flower, we have 1 bee left over. And when the bees land, 2 on each flower, we have 1 flower left over. So this shows us that option A is the right answer. Next, question number 18. This question has 3 parts. Let us solve them one by one. Part 1. Arjun's father's age is 5 years more than 4 times Arjun's age in years. Find Arjun's age if his father is 37 years old. Let's consider the age of Arjun to be A. So 4 times Arjun's age will be 4A, and 5 more than 4 times Arjun's age is 4A plus 5. Now this is equal to his father's age, which is 37 years old. So 4A plus 5 is equal to 37. 4A is equal to 37 minus 5, which is 32. So A is equal to 32 by 4, which is 8. So the right option for the first part is Q. Second part. Ramesh says that he has 8 notebooks more than 4 times the number of notebooks Anuj has. Ramesh has 48 notebooks. How many notebooks does Anuj have? So let's consider the number of notebooks Anuj has as A. So 4 times Anuj's notebooks will be 4A, and 8 more than 4 times Anuj's notebooks will become 4A plus 8. Now this is equal to the number of notebooks that Ramesh has, which is 48. So 4A plus 8 is equal to 48. 4A is equal to 48 minus 8. 4A is 40 and A is equal to 10. So the right answer for part 2 is option R. Next, part 3 of 18th question. Varun says that he has 11 erasers more than 5 times the number of erasers Samir has. If Varun has 56 erasers, then how many does Samir have? First, let's consider the number of erasers Samir has to be A. 5 times Samir's erasers will be 5A, and 11 more than 5 times Samir's erasers will be 5A plus 11. This is equal to the number of erasers that Varun has, which is 56. So 5A plus 11 is equal to 56. 5A is 56 minus 11, which is 45. So A is equal to 45 divided by 5, which is 9. So the right option for the third part is option P. So matching all of our answers, we get the right option to be option B. Next, question number 19. A number consists of two digits whose sum is 9. If 27 is added to the number, its digits are interchanged. Which of the given steps is correct to find the number? Step 1. Let the units digit be x. That is right. Step 2. Then the tens digit is 9 minus x. This is also right because we know that the sum of two digits is 9. Also, in step 2, we have the number is equal to 10 into 9 minus x plus x. This is just the expanded form of any number. 10 into the digit in the tens place plus the number in the units place. Multiplying further, we get 90 minus 10x plus x, which is 90 minus 9x. This step is also correct. Step 3. Adding 27 to the number 90 minus 9x, we get 117 minus 9x. That is because 90 plus 27 is equal to 117. The variable part minus 9x is kept as it is. So step 3 is also correct. Step 4. Number with the interchanged digits is 10x plus 9 minus x. Initially, we considered the units digit to be x and the tens digit to be 9 minus x. Now, since we interchange, the units digit becomes 9 minus x and the tens digit becomes x, and the number itself becomes 10 into x plus 9 minus x, which is equal to 9x plus 9. So this step is also correct. Now we know that the numbers we found in step 3 and step 4 are equal. So step 5 becomes 117 minus 9x is equal to 9x plus 9, which is again correct. Solving that further, we get 9x plus 9x is equal to 117 minus 9. 18x is equal to 108 and x is equal to 108 divided by 18, which is 6. So if the units digit is 6, then the tens digit becomes 9 minus 6, which is 3. So our step 6, which mentions that the units digit is 6 and tens digit is 3, is also correct. So step 7, the number is 36, is also correct. So our right option is option D, in which all the steps are correct. Next, question number 20. Study the following statements carefully and select the correct option. Since this question has two parts, let's look at it one by one. P. If 3 into x minus 3 minus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 5 into x minus 5, then x is equal to 9. Let's solve the equation. First, we'll write down the equation as it is. Then, multiplying further, we get 3x plus 9 minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 5x minus 25. So, x plus 11 is equal to 5x minus 25. So, 4x is equal to 36 and x is equal to 36 by 4, which is 9. So, the statement P is true. Now, let's move on to statement Q. Y by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 2y by 5 plus 1. Finding out the LCM and simplifying, we get y plus 3 by 2 is equal to 2y plus 5 divided by 5. So 5 into y plus 3 is equal to 2 into 2y plus 5. 5y plus 15 is equal to 4y plus 10. 5y minus 4y is equal to 10 minus 15. That gives us y is equal to minus 5. So this shows that the statement Q is incorrect. So the right option for question 20 is option C. Hope this video has helped you solve Chapter 4 of IMO Grade 7 Workbook. If you found this video worth watching, give it a like and share it with your friends to help them learn maths the amazing way. Thanks for watching.